Thanks for having me in for this. Can we do this kind of quick? I'm on the clock right here. Okay. Yeah, so I'm backbone issue sync for Jira, and my big thing is just working with different teams, helping them to collaborate, work together. So, for example, Jan in our support team got this feedback from a customer, and I kind of helped get that over to Sergey in his Jira project, so he knew sort of what are the details, what are the problems they're running into. That's kind of what I do here. I sync stuff between Jira projects. So, like my first day, I start the job, and they just sort of tell me, here's all our projects, here's what we want you to do, and then, I just did it. Yeah, I act mostly in the background so that people don't really know I'm there, but like in a good way, But I do think there's some people that are kind of, they know I'm there, they like me. Jane on the team. I mean, I keep everybody in sync, and if I didn't do this, then, they'd waste a whole lot of time and effort, sharing information from one project to the other and hope the other team actually puts that in Jira. Like, hello, it's 2021. Oh, so what can I sync between Jira projects? I'll sync all the fields in Jira, all your basic ones that you see in every Jira project, no problem. And my real sort of specialty is those custom fields. Almost any kind, any type, name it whatever you want. I'll sync it. It's kind of my jam. Oh, and I only sync the stuff you tell me to sync. I'm not just gonna sync everything because I think it's a good idea. It's a joke. If you say no comments should be synced, I'm not gonna touch them. I'm not gonna sync your comments. That's kind of how it rolls. Yeah, so like when teams are collaborating between Jira projects, there's a lot of movement. You're moving things across the board, getting stuff done, right? So when the development team fixes a bug and moves it over to done, I let the people in the support team know, hey, you can let the customer know, we're good to go. And I can sync things both ways. So maybe you want to have a public Jira project that has all of your dev tickets, but you don't want any of your private comments to go there. I'll make sure that happens. And you want to have your public comments come back into your private project? Sure. Yeah, I can do that. That's the like bi-directional thing that I do. Basically, I just keep everything in sync. So everybody on the team can just do what they like to do, and all the information is just exactly where they need it, when they need it. Pretty simple stuff. Yeah, so I'm just all about syncing stuff and collaborating. Oh, sorry. I gotta go sync something.
Be right back.